blend of vibrant cultures and traditions, showcases a rich tapestry of dance styles. From the classical to the folk, each form tells a story steeped in history and significance. Let's journey through the diverse dance styles that India has to offer. First up is Bharatanatyam, one of the oldest classical dances, originating in Tamil Nadu. This dance form combines intricate footwork with expressive hand gestures called mudras. Bharatanatyam often narrates tales from Hindu mythology, embodying devotion and grace. Next, we have Kathak, hailing from North India, known for its swift footwork and spins. Kathak dancers tell stories through their expressions alongside intricate rhythm patterns. Traditionally linked to temple rituals and later royal courts, Kathak remains enchanting. Odissi from Orissa is another classical style characterized by its fluid body movements. The dance emphasizes the Sankhya style that beautifully balances grace and poise. Odissi often depicts themes of love and devotion, using statuesque poses to convey emotions. Manipuri is another gem, coming from the state of Manipur, known for its graceful movements. With its origins in ritualistic performances, Manipuri reflects the culture and spirituality of its roots. The storylines often revolve around Lord Krishna, making it a deeply expressive form of art. Kuchipudi from Andhra Pradesh uniquely blends acting with traditional dance elements. Kuchipudi performers showcase dynamic footwork with melodious music to enhance storytelling. This vibrant dance celebrates themes like romance and spiritual devotion through movement. Now let's move to folk dances, a true reflection of regional cultures across India. Bhangra from Punjab ignites energy with its upbeat music and lively movements at celebrations. This dance is a joyous expression of harvest time, symbolizing prosperity and community spirit. Garba from Gujarat revolves around circles that symbolize unity, often performed during Navratri. These vibrant dances celebrate the divine feminine and connect participants through rhythm. Then there's Lavani from Maharashtra, known for its vigorous tempo and romantic themes. Lavani combines poetry and dance to express female empowerment and social issues strikingly. Next up is Koli dance from Mumbai, which reflects the lives of fishermen adorned in joy. Koli dancers celebrate their connection to the sea and community through colorful attire and rhythm. Each region has its own folk dance style, echoing the local stories and customs that shape them. Dance in India isn't just performance, it's an expression of identity steeped in tradition. Dance is a hidden language of the soul, says Martha Graham, reflecting our journey in movement. It connects generations, passing down stories while nurturing cultural pride among communities. Each step is a syllable, capturing emotions that words often fail to express uniquely. In every twirl lies history, for every dance form proclaims a narrative beyond mere movement. Art must be an integral part of life. So let's not forget India's love affair with expression. Dance brings people together, bridging gaps across religions, backgrounds, pure harmony thrives here. Celebrate life through movement. In every corner of India, dancing continues to flourish vibrantly. Dance carries joy, a perfect fusion of art and culture rising from the heartland of India itself. From temples to stages, dance styles remain diverse but similarly rooted in spirituality and festivity. As we conclude our journey, remember these customs are precious strands woven into society's fabric. Let's cherish this diversity. Every style adds color to India's rich cultural mosaic beautifully. So go on, explore these magical forms further. Each rhythm awaits your feet to join the dance. Find your favorite. Whether it's classical or folk, there's magic waiting for you in movement. Tap into tradition. Experience firsthand how each dance style retains time-honored significance. Dance isn't just about movement, it's storytelling that resonates across ages, connecting us all. Thank you for joining us on this rhythmic ride. Let's continue celebrating our cultural heritage. Until next time, keep dancing through life as each step reveals a new story waiting to unfold. Stay curious. The world of Indian dance awaits your exploration with open arms and welcoming beats. Embrace your passion for movement, unleash your inner dancer, every rhythm meets your heartbeat. Remember, each beat echoes a legacy, let your spirit soar through the colors of Indian dance. Dance on, and may your journey through rhythm lead you towards infinite joy and expression.